Today we are going to study about lines and angles. Okay, and we already studied in your lower classes about lines and angles. So I give you some small introduction about lines and angles. Now coming to the first one, line. What's a line? You all know that line. That is, this is a line. We can represent it by denoting giving the points A and B. And what is this? It is extended up to both direction. Line have no endpoints. Okay. Now next is line segment. This is two. It has two endpoints, and it is a part of the line. There's a difference between line and line segment. This line it is extended to both direction. This is line segment. That means it have two endpoints. Now next one, that is ray. Ray means it have one endpoint and into one direction we can extend it. So these are the just introduction about the lines, line segment and ray. Now coming to the angles, you already know angles. I will just give an introduction. Angle means this is an angle A O B. Okay, this is the angle A O B. It contains two rays, and this is the what we call it as. This is the angle. What is the measure of angle? What is the unit of angle? That is degree. Degree means what? It is represented as, if the angle is 30 degree means I will represent it 30 degree. Okay. Already know there are so many types of angles. Which are the types of angles? Acute angle, obtuse angle. Then next one. First one, acute, obtuse. I will draw. This is starting from zero angle. Okay, starting from zero angle. This is angle A and B. So here A and B will come here and point O here. Okay, so two rays, no angles. Now again I will extend this ray. So this is O A O B. So this is very small one. Small one is very cute one, isn't it? So this is acute angle. Now coming to the next one, a little bit. That is again little bit increase the angle. So we will get it the right angle. We already studied that. This is the right angle. That is the angle AOB, right angle. Now again I am little bit increasing the angle. So what will be that? That is obtuse angle. Again I am increasing it. So that is angle AOB. That is what? Obtuse angle. This is acute angle, that is less than 90 degree. Always right angle will be 90 degree. The angle less than 90 degree, that is acute angle. And this is a right angle. And this is what? Obtuse angle. That is more than 90 degree. That is obtuse angle. Now coming to the next one. Again I am increasing the angle. So this is A. Center here O and B. Straight angle. Straight angle, what will be the angle? That it is 180 degree. So straight angle will be 180 degree. Again I am increasing the angle. Then what will you get? Again I am increasing. So here what it will be? Angle A, O and B. Here what will be the angle? That is more than what? More than 180 degree. I am still extended it here. So that is more than 180 degree. So that is reflex angle. Okay. Now next one. Given one complete rotation, so A and B will coincide here. So this full angle we call it as complete angle. Complete angle will be 360 degree. Okay, this is 180 degree straight angle. More than 180 degree, that is reflex angle. And this is complete one rotation. We go on complete one rotation, that is 360 degree. So these are the types of angles. We already studied what are lines. And we studied about various types of angles and complementary and supplementary angles. We already studied that. Now coming to the next section, we have to study some types of angles, and after that we have to study some terms in angles. Okay, first one is that is bisector of an angle. Okay, bisector of an angle means if we have one angle, that is that angle AOC. Okay, and angle bisector means, when we bisect means what? We are actually, when we bisect, it is dividing into two parts. Okay, with this ray we are dividing this angle into two equal parts. then only this will be, I will give this as D. So this ray OD is separating this angle into two equal parts. So we call this OD as the angle bisector. Okay, OD is the angle, but it is dividing into two parts. It is going through the center of this angle. Is it, children? So angle AOD is equal to angle DOC. I will write here angle AOD. Angle AOD is equal to angle DOC. That is angle DOC. So these two angles will be same. Here one angle is there, here one angle is there. These two angles will be same. This is known as angle bisector. Okay. So these two angles are same. Next one. Next one, angle A, B and C. One angle is there. Then I have drawn one, and here two angles are there. This means these are two adjacent angles. First we studied angle bisector. Next one, angle ABD is adjacent to near. Adjacent means what? Near, just near. Okay, these two angles are just near to each other. So that means angle ABD is near to angle DBC. Okay, children. Next one. Next one is linear pair of angles. That means if two angles here, how it became two angles, here is the center. I will mark D here. Okay, if two angles, if their sum is 180 degree, if two angles here and here, if their sum is 180 degree, we will call these two angles as linear pair. Okay, we already studied that if any straight line, it forms an angle of 180 degree. So if it is a straight line or two angles, their sum is 180 degree, we will call it as a linear pair. Okay, now next one. Next one, like this, two lines are cutting like this, and line AB, don't forget to put the arrow marks because that represents line, otherwise it becomes a line segment. Okay, children, so here AB and CD. Here how many angles are there? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Okay, 4 angles are here. So angle 1 is opposite to angle 3, angle 2 is opposite to angle 4. Is it, children? So here angle 1 and angle 3 is vertically opposite angle. Here angle 2 and angle 4 is other pair of vertical angles. First pair is angle 1 and angle 2. The second pair is angle 1 and angle 3, angle 4 and angle 2. These are the two pairs of vertically opposite angles. I think you understood these concepts. And first one what we studied? First one we studied about what? Angle bisector. Then we studied linear pair, adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles. So that's all about this concept. Okay. Now one sum we will do in regarding vertically opposite angles. Okay, first one. If this is the two lines intersecting each other, excuse me, 1 minute. Two lines AB and CD, line AB and CD, and this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. These are the 4 angles, and I have told you that vertically opposite angles are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and they are equal to each other. Okay, 1 and 2 will be equal, 3 and 4 will be equal, and our sum is angle 1 is given as 30 degree. Okay, we have to find out angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. How will you find out that? Angle 1 is given as 30 degree. So we know that if it is a vertically opposite angles, they have already told that these are vertically opposite angles. So 1 and 2 will be always equal. So angle 2 will be also 30 degree according to the theorem. 2 will be also 30 degree. Now we have to find out 3 and 4. How will you find out? We know that these two angles, it form a straight line, and also these two angles, it's a linear pair. So angle 3 plus angle 2 will be always 180 degree. That means angle 3 plus angle 2 will be 180 degree. You already know that angle 2 is 30 degree. Okay, so angle 3 plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now what will be angle 3? Angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 30 degree. What will be that? What will be? That it will be equal to 150 degree. So if angle 3 is 150 degree, then angle 4 will be also 150 degree. Okay, so here we got all the angles. Here already given 30 degree. Because of vertically opposite angle, this will be also equal. Using linear pair, we find out that angle 3 is 150 degree. So here it is also 150 degree. Now we got all the angles. I think you understood. Okay, thank you.